Continuous learning is key to staying relevant in today's rapidly changing job market and opens up new opportunities for career advancement and higher income potential. Acquiring new skills and knowledge not only enhances your job prospects but also can lead to entrepreneurial ventures and financial success. By keeping up with industry trends and advancements, you can adapt to new challenges, stay ahead of the competition, and secure financial independence. Investing in your education and personal development increases your value to employers and clients, as well as your earning power and financial stability. Lifelong learning fosters a growth mindset, resilience, and adaptability, which are essential for achieving financial security and independence. Join me on the journey of empowerment with LiveGood. Please subscribe, like and share this video. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice.